Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for real estate. Get Emails is an email retargeting software, amazing proprietary technology that identifies up to 35% of anonymous traffic on your website, that lets you identify your website's anonymous traffic and get the email addresses of your visitors. No pop-ups, no forms. All you need to do is add a script from Get Emails to your web pages. Smart real estate companies drive 30% revenue growth with Get Emails. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution built for enterprise real estate. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow real estate revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions. Real estate email marketing isn't just the key to reaching all your existing and potential clients, and by extension, their networks. It's also the easiest and most efficient way to foster stronger relationships with each one of your subscribers. An email list is more than a database of your contacts. It's a list of subscribers eagerly awaiting your next move. Top earning real estate agents know. 91% of people check their emails daily. Email marketing scores higher conversion rates than searches and social media combined. Emails deliver a $1.42 return on investment, ROI, for every $1 spent. There's no other tool that allows you to stay in touch with your existing clients and potential leads, drive sales, and improve your customer loyalty, all at the same time. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.